Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Facebook Group Marketing Strategies. In this lesson, we're going to talk about using groups to conduct webinars. Let's get started. Webinars are hosted by a speaker or multiple speakers who will discuss a particular topic and target a niche community. Facebook groups are created for specific niche communities. It's a great place to conduct webinars and target people who are interested in the group's niche. If the webinar is in line with the community's niche, the members of the community will be eager to be part of that webinar. Most of the time, webinars have posters that include a summary of the topics to be covered in the event. It will also have a date and time for the live event to be held. These details are what your target audiences will look at, and it can help them decide if they want to join your webinar event. Webinars are convenient. When conducting live webinars, there is no need to go to a specific location like a seminar would take place at a certain location, and it would cost more compared to live webinars. Anyone who have an internet access and a smartphone or computer can attend the webinar. Also, there's a replay of the recorded live webinar so that you can go back and review the topics discussed in the event. Webinar goals and objective. Before you conduct a webinar inside your group, you have to know what is the objective of your webinar. You can determine if you have met your goal and objective by the end of the webinar. For example, your goal is to increase your target audience, and your objective is to generate awareness of your brand and generate leads. Next, create an event telling your group members about the webinar that you will conduct inside your Facebook group. Create a good template including the details of your webinar. This will let them know that they can look forward to your live webinar, when your live event will be, and what they can learn from the online event. It's free to use. You can use Facebook's Go Live feature to conduct a webinar inside your group. To create a webinar, go to your group and look for live video. Under Setup, look for the Start Screen Share. It will show you a pop-up window to choose what you'd like to share with your viewers. You can share your entire screen, an application window, or your web browser tab. Once you choose a screen to share, it will be displayed in this preview, and you can start adding the details of your webinar. Add a title and a description. You can also publish a test broadcast where the admins can only view if the test broadcast is working properly. When you're ready to go live, just click the Go Live button and start sharing your screen to start your live webinar. Share an educational webinar. Create a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation so that your viewers can have a visual outline of the things that they need to take note of. The topic of your content should be interesting to your viewers. Choose a topic that you are an expert on. That way, you can deliver your message clearly. This can showcase your expertise, your products or services, and how they can benefit your viewers. If you're promoting a product, you can entice your viewers to purchase that product in your live webinar. And your webinar can help you convert your viewers to paying customers. Next, entertain your audience. People who are viewing your live webinar can have a limit to listen to an educational content. You can run a quick question and answer portion and reward the first viewer who can provide a correct answer. You can even add polls to create an engaging and entertaining webinar. Facebook prioritizes live streaming videos and show them to more people on Facebook. When you include webinars inside Facebook groups, it can be a powerful tool to build your online presence, create a support community, and a way for people to trust your brand. Now that you know about using groups to conduct webinars, we can now proceed to the next topic, Facebook Group Growth Hacks. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.